Hey there, so today I have these trimmers made for your dog, and these are really nice because there's no cord. So if your dog needs a fur trim, then you can do it wherever is easiest for you and your pet. Let's take a look at what comes with it, and I'll show you some footage of what my dog thinks. So with these, you of course are going to get the clippers. You're going to get multiple guards that are all labeled really nicely so you can see exactly what length they are. You're going to get a cleaning brush, the charging cord, a comb, and a bag to keep everything in one place. Here's an up-close look at the clippers themselves. It does have a guard up here. When it's not being used, you can put that on there. Here you can adjust the length. It does have a place to hang it up, which is nice. Charging port down here. Let's turn it on and see how loud it is. So it's not super loud. Here you can see just a reminder to put some oil on the blade before and after use. And here is the power amount left in the trimmers. So our dog's fur grows in between his pads, and we like to trim everything up once in a while just to make it easier for him in regards to traction. He doesn't love it, but he is okay coming to me so I can flip him over so my wife can trim his feet like this. I really like that this isn't super loud and that I can see exactly what the charge is on it. It's comfortable to hold underneath. There's a couple ridges on here, so easy finger placement. My wife did find that all she had to do was adjust the handle to get the perfect cut and what works really well for her. Not super loud. I like that it has the extra guards in case something happens and we actually need to do a little more trimming on the rest of him. If you're looking for a new pet trimmer that's relatively quiet, easy to use, not attached to the wall, then I hope this video helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.